Looking to take your baking and cooking to the next level? An electric stand mixer is the ultimate kitchen companion, powerful, versatile, and designed to make mixing, whipping, and kneading effortless. From compact models for beginners to professional-grade machines for serious bakers, here are the top 5 best electric stand mixers that blend performance, style, and convenience. Number 1. Kuccu Kitchen Electric Mixer. If you're seeking a reliable, high-capacity stand mixer without the premium price tag, the Kuccu Kitchen Electric Mixer is a polished contender that delivers on both form and function. With a powerful 660W pure copper motor and a generous 6.5 quart stainless steel bowl, it offers ample capacity for dough, batter, and more. The mixer features 6 selectable speeds plus a pulse setting, giving you precise control anywhere from a gentle stir to a vigorous whisk. Its planetary mixing action ensures thorough and even blending, reaching every inch of the bowl for consistent results. The tilt head design makes adding ingredients or swapping attachments effortless, and includes a safety auto stop when lifted. Practicality is a strength here. It comes with a dough hook, flat beater, wire whisk, splash guard, silicone spatula, and even an egg white separator, and yes, many parts are dishwasher safe. A notable safety feature is the base's 6 silicone suction cups, which provide excellent stability during mixing. On top of its thoughtful design, Kuccu backs this mixer with 24/7 online support and a quality guarantee, offering peace of mind for any home baker. This mixer blends power, capacity, and convenience in a sleek, user-friendly package. It's ideal for families, enthusiastic bakers, or anyone looking for consistent performance and safety, without breaking the bank. Number 2. Howork Electric Stand Mixer. If you're looking for a stylish yet powerful countertop companion, the Howork Electric Stand Mixer brings impressive utility to your kitchen without sacrificing flair. Powered by a 660W pure copper motor housed within a sturdy ABS shell, this mixer delivers dependable performance for everything from fluffy meringues to hefty doughs. The 6.5 quart stainless steel bowl, complete with a convenient handle and an anti-splash transparent lid, offers generous capacity while keeping your workspace clean. Flexibility is at the heart of this mixer's design, featuring 10 speed settings plus a pulse option. It transitions smoothly from gentle stirring to vigorous whipping, all powered by efficient planetary mixing for consistent results. Installation and cleanup are made easy with its tilt head design, and for strong suction feet keep the mixer steady and bounce-free during rigorous mixing. Aesthetically, its sleek sky blue finish blends classic charm with modern elegance. The brand also offers 24/7 customer support, reflecting confidence in product quality and ensuring help is always at hand. In essence, the Howork mixer masterfully blends durability, capacity, and style, making it a smart and attractive choice for both avid bakers and family kitchens alike. Number 3. Instant Pot Electric Stand Mixer. If you're on the hunt for a stand mixer that blends power, precision, and sleek design, the Instant Pot Instant Stand Mixer Pro makes a compelling case. At its core, a robust 600-watt motor tackles everything from delicate meringues to sturdier doughs effortlessly. Set atop a die-cast metal housing, this mixer is built to last and looks great in modern kitchens. It boasts 10 speed settings plus a digital timer, which can count up or down, to help you nail every recipe's timing perfectly. The generous 7.4 quart stainless steel bowl can churn out up to 120 cookies in a single batch, ideal for large baking projects. Remarkably, it weighs 19% less than many leading stand mixers, making it easier to lift, move, and store. Stability is ensured by suction cup feet that keep the mixer firmly in place during intense mixing sessions. Cleanup is a breeze, too. The bowl and included paddle, dough hook, and whisk are all dishwasher safe. Bonus features include a powered attachment hub, letting you expand functionality with optional extras like a meat grinder or pasta maker, sold separately, and thoughtful safety designs like auto shut-off for peace of mind. In short, the Instant Pot Stand Mixer Pro strikes a brilliant balance between efficiency, capacity, and style, whether you're baking for family gatherings or crafting batch-worthy treats. Number 4. Kenwood Chef Titanium Kitchen Machine. The Kenwood Chef Titanium Kitchen Machine is designed for serious home chefs who want professional-grade performance in their kitchen. Powered by up to 800 watts and featuring electronic variable speed control, it gradually incorporates ingredients before ramping up to high speeds, keeping mixtures in the bowl, not splattered across your counter. What sets this mixer apart is its European-designed motor, which delivers twice the power of ordinary stand mixers. It handles even the heaviest doughs with ease, while the dual-motor ventilation system prevents overheating and extends the life of the machine. The build quality is equally impressive. It comes with a stainless steel work bowl featuring rugged handles, plus 3 premium stainless steel attachments, a power whisk, a dough hook, and Kenwood's iconic K-beater, engineered for maximum mixing performance. All parts are dishwasher safe, ensuring cleanup is quick and convenient. Versatility is another hallmark of the Chef Titanium. With 4 built-in speed hubs, you can expand its functionality by adding optional attachments such as a pasta cutter, food processor, meat grinder, blender, or even an ice cream maker. In short, the Kenwood Chef Titanium is a powerhouse mixer that combines strength, precision, and flexibility, making it an excellent investment for passionate bakers and cooks. Number 5. Kitchen-in-the-Box Stand Mixer. The Kitchen-in-the-Box Stand Mixer is a powerful and spacious addition to any kitchen. Equipped with an impressive 900W motor, peaking at a hefty 1800W, this mixer tackles everything from delicate batters to dense doughs with ease. At the heart of its versatility lies a generous 8.5-quart stainless steel bowl with a single handle, ideal for large-scale baking projects, family get-togethers, or holiday preparations. With 10 adjustable speeds plus a pulse function, you can fine-tune your mixing, whether you're gently folding or vigorously whipping. Ease of use is built into its design. The tilt head mechanism makes ingredient additions and attachment changes simple, while cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe dough hook, flat beater, and whisk. An anti-splash transparent lid helps keep the mess contained. Beyond performance, it's a thoughtful gift option, with dependable customer support standing by to assist should any questions arise. In short, the Kitchen-in-the-Box mixer delivers robust power, generous capacity, and user-friendly convenience, a worthy choice for serious bakers and home entertainers alike.